Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, and welcome back. For those of y'all who are new, hello and welcome. My name is Siobhan and I'm a professional organizer and home stager, and today is week 3 of our Cleanish challenge, and we are going to be focusing on my cousin's bedroom. We're going into her master closet to get that space organized. She wants to create a capsule wardrobe and get back into her fashion game. So we are going to go ahead and purge her closet, and we are going to see what she wants to donate, keep, sell, or even just trash. So in this week we're going to go to our Cleanish guide. If you have not yet downloaded that Cleanish guide, go ahead and pause me right now and go download it, print it out, and then we're going to use that last page that has the labels, cut that out, and this week we're going to be using that so that we can get the space organized. So let's go ahead, head into my cousin's room and get the space organized. All right guys, so we have Devonna here and we are about to start looking through her closet and see what we can get rid of, toss, and get this space organized. So tell me a little something, like, what are you trying to do with the space? What do you need help with? How can I help you get it organized?
Okay, so my closet, I share it with my husband.
Yes.
If we can get him out of here. I know that's not possible, but if we can, maybe we're doing something. No, okay. So, I just really want us to have separate spaces because we are in the same space, and he has more clothes than I have.
Okay.
So I don't want his clothes to overlap my clothes because I don't want to see my clothes are pushed in the back.
Yes.
So that's one thing. So maybe, you know, downsize his collection of shirts.
He got a lot.
He does have a lot of shirts. So, and then he doesn't have that many jeans on his side. Yes, so I feel like some kind of way we can reduce this because he has a massive amount of shoes. He has way more shoes than I have in my on my side of the closet. I have this box. I want to keep this box. I bought it from a consignment shop. It was an original Dior box, but I love vintage things. And then I have the sewing kit. Which I have more sewing stuff in that sewing table downstairs. And I think in these boxes he just has hats, ties, maybe a few scarves, and I can't think of anything else.
And that's definitely smart to have that up there, like all the stuff that y'all don't use all the time, like.
But I feel like, but if he doesn't see it, he does like.
He won't grab
this hat that's sticking out. Literally right now, he probably has not worn a hat in like 5 years.
Yes, so that needs to go.
I will give it before we got married is when he wore that hat.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Okay, so but one thing that I do notice, so if it is there and it's labeled, maybe he will see and know that, okay, this is
I can go back. But I feel like he can totally go through these.
Definitely. We definitely going to go purge through that, especially a 5-year hat. We throwing that away. We're throwing it away.
Let it go. Let it go.
God. Look at this.
Exactly.
No.
Exactly.
We're gonna toss that now. I think we have a good base. I know exactly what we need to do, the space that you're trying to get. I do think that this is the best part because you come right in, you can see your clothes, you have yours, and it's
maybe I can
separated.
shoot this way if I, you know, get a light in here.
Oh, yep. This light it's in the corner over here, guys. I don't know what happened. I think it fell down.
It did. It was poor construction when we first bought the home. So I don't know. It was random and it just fell on the floor, and I was just like, I don't even know how to put this together.
Yes. Okay. Well, her husband knows how to deal with this electric work.
Yes.
So we're gonna buy the light and force him to do this. We're getting this put in because the space, we're gonna have to update it and make it look amazing.
Yes.
So that you'll enjoy coming in, enjoy dressing, enjoy showing off your fashion.
Yes, ma'am.
Now she is getting into fashion. Well, she's always been into fashion, but she's taking a little break.
Yes.
So we're getting her little fashion started back up again. Yes. She also has a YouTube channel, guys. So if you have not checked her out on her YouTube channel, go ahead and check it out, guys. She has tons of great content, beauty, skin, fashion. I just love everything that she's doing. So we're gonna get this closet together for her.
Yes, thank you.
So that we can have her get ready to get her style game together.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we are in the Payne's bedroom and we're gonna get ready to sort through their clothes and their daughter's clothes. So we're taking this printout that we got in our Cleanish guide. It has what you want to keep, trash, donate, or sell. So we are going to actually go in, cut this, and create different piles so that when we're going in and sorting stuff, we'll know exactly which pile goes where and go from there. Alright guys, so this is what this space is looking like so far. This right here is our keep pile here. This is all the stuff she wants to keep. This is our sale pile there. And then this is trash. We got a lot of hangers and some stuff here. So that's trash. And then we have donate. There's a few things to donate. But yeah guys, so far so good. We got her to empty out 1, 2, 3 drawers. Ooh, let's see if she got these. Not these yet. But yeah, 3 drawers so far, and this is what she's already sorted through. This is her husband's drawer. He has to go through his, and then we have this drawer to go through. While Devonna's sorting through all her clothes, I am coming in the closet and moving things around to get it organized. Alright guys, so far this is what we have in the space. I put these cube storages here so that she can stack her shoes and her jeans. And then I put her purses over there, and then this is what her husband's side's looking like. I'm gonna go down here, get his shoes organized. We tucked their luggage off in that corner, and then we gotta pull this out because I think that's for the girls' room. But yeah, we're gonna put together that. Then we're gonna go up here and see what they have in those bins. But this closet will be done for the most part here, guys. I grabbed 2 of these shoe racks from Tuesday morning and they fit perfectly here in her closet space. So I'm going to put all of her husband's shoes in here. Now I'm sorting through all his shirts, putting all his like items together, all the long sleeve polos, short sleeve polos, and outerwear jackets. I'm now taking a break from the closet to help them sort through all the items and help them choose which ones to keep or donate.
What is this?
That's a Nike shirt. Just do it.
Do you wear it?
Yeah. It's a t-shirt. It's a nice one. It's nice and thick. And the cotton. Don't you feel it?
Pile them up. What about this Really Man Live shirt?
That's my new.
Yeah, but like...
You can throw that one. It's kind of tight on it.
Somebody around Atlanta gonna be wearing it. This one got to go. Lime green shirt.
That's swag.
It's polo.
I run in the... Exactly. Put that back.
Oh, it's over.
Oh, that.
Look at that.
I can run with it. You gotta have some damn...
You gonna run in this lime green shirt?
Bruh, I ain't got no t-shirt.
So nobody hit him? He not running at night. We're gonna see how many good shirts and bad shirts he has, then you can see. So that's a maybe pile 1. Okay.
Alright guys, so we are making progress. Look at these piles. We're getting stuff done in here. Going through all the shirts. So this drawer is almost done here. We have 3 more drawers here, and then we have to pull that stuff out. And then we're going to be done for the night. Alright guys, so we are back for another day. We just got back up and about to get these dressers moved, and then I am really kind of done in the closet, but I'm gonna get the dressers done, and then I'm gonna come over in the nightstands, and then really this space is gonna be done and organized for the most part. We have designed the space. We did this a long time ago, before YouTube, guys. I actually came in and designed this space. This used to be a green space. It was like an olive green color. If I have a picture, I'll put it right here. But yes, this space was olive green. We painted the majority of the walls this repost gray, my favorite color, and then we went with a dark blue on this wall. So I want to create some artwork here. I never got to add some artwork above their headboard, so I might do that today. And then I gotta repaint some stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be a busy day, but we're gonna get it done and show y'all the end results of this space.
Oh my gosh! I love it. Oh, I didn't see this. Got the shoes over there.
Aww.
That's nice.
Look.
This is nice.
This looks so good.
Good.
Yeah, right.
They used to do.
It's giving me boutique.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? What's on my closet? It's my crib.
We style living cribs.
Yes.
With the pain,
And then I love the way you got his jeans hanging like this.
Yes.
That's very much so.
Who knew that's how you was supposed to fold them?
Right. Who knew? I love it. And then
That's that 2021 fold right there. Yeah.
even though I feel like he can still get rid of certain things,
Huh?
I love it.
Good.
I love it. And then I love the bin with the hats. So I love
Yeah.
those bins. We got that from the thrift store.
Yep, $3.99.
Yes.
On Snapback.
All right, guys, so what did you think of that space? The transformation was amazing. We went in, we decluttered all her clothes and put those all back into the closet. Then I went into the drawers, went and saw exactly what they wanted to keep, donate, trash, and then see what also could be hung into her closet. So we pulled everything out of the closets, sorted everything, and put them back in. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of her space. If you like it, make sure to hit that subscription button below and that notification bell, because next week we will be going into the kids' spaces. We're going to go into her daughter's room and we're going to get it organized and designed to make it a little more playful for the girls and just give them a nice space and an organized space and make it easy for pickup for them. So make sure to hit that notification bell because I don't want you to miss out on next week's video. It's going to be amazing and I know that you'll love it. I'll talk to y'all next week. Bye.